Hi everyone, this is iPhone 12 Pro Max and it has a problem SIM not valid. Friends, you are welcome to my channel the SIM fix for you. First and foremost, to confirm that does it has really the SIM not valid issue, I am going to insert the one working SIM card onto this iPhone. If you have a screen lock password on your iPhone, please unlock it at first. Now you can see here the SIM card is inserted. After inserted the SIM card, the hello screen appears on this iPhone. It means this phone is carrier locked. However, if you don't have the internet connection to your iPhone, please make a connection to your internet. After connected to the internet, the phone goes to the activation process. In the activation process, you can see here the SIM not valid issue appears. It means the phone needs to unlock. Now, eject this SIM card from your iPhone. After ejecting the SIM card, now I am going to insert one universal Y SIM to unlock this iPhone. By this universal Y SIM, we can unlock all iPhone 5s to 12 Pro Max devices. To unlock the iPhone 5s, 6 and 6 Plus, you must have to jailbreak your iOS device. But 6s to 12 Pro Max, it has iOS above 14.0 version, so we don't need to any jailbreak. To watch how to unlock the iPhone 5s, 6 and 6 Plus, please watch my videos from my video list. Now, after inserting this universal Y SIM, phone is booted in hello screen mode. Now you can see here in the activation process, after inserting the universal Y SIM, the SIM not valid issue is appears because we are not installing the new ICC ID code. Now to install the new ICC ID code, go back and hold 30 to 50 seconds. You will see one pop-up, input ICC ID. Here you can see input ICC ID. Please type here 20-digit ICC ID code, latest one. If you don't know how to get the ICC ID code, please comment below. I'll give you the one working ICC ID code. After typing all the ICC ID code, click on send. Now accept and continue the setup process. In this activation process time, now you can see here the SIM not valid issue is not appear. And the iPhone asks for your Apple ID and screen lock password. You can use your Apple ID or screen lock password. Here I used one screen lock password to activate my iPhone. Now follow the processes to unlock the iPhone. Finally, you can see here iPhone came in normal mode. Now, I'll show you the ICC ID which I had been typed before is installed on this iPhone. In the ICC ID, here the latest one is installed. You can see the 750 which I had typed before. Then after installing the latest one ICC ID code, this phone is get unlocked. To confirm the unlocked or not, I am going to change one working SIM card to this phone. You can use any carrier SIM card to use your iPhone now. After inserting the SIM card, no phone is booting on hello screen mode. Now you can see here the carrier signal is shown above. Now I am going to dial one number to confirm. After dialing the number, the call is not ended. and phone is get unlocked. Friends, by this way, you can unlock all iPhone from this universal wire SIM. Thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos in coming days. Thank you.